Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia titanium espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up, which means we deep clean everything inside behind this door plan, as well as deep clean the brew unit, replacing the gaskets of it, replacing the valves of the brew unit as well, and just give it a good overall clean of the machine. And this machine definitely need clean, as it was not in the best conditions. Just to show you the previous condition of the machine, this is how it looked before. You can see a bunch of coffee buildup all around it, and especially around the spouts. The spouts were very clogged with a bunch of coffee inside, and as you can see, there's a lot of coffee buildup and a bunch of other things in there. So we went inside the brew unit as well, deep clean everything in here, especially the coffee grounds that were building up in the machine. And as you can see, that's the same door panel that we just saw a couple of seconds ago. That's the same pieces, and you can see that they definitely needed some maintenance, but as you can see, they're completely clean now. We removed as much as we could, especially inside of the machine, as well as the brew unit, the machine itself, as you can see right here. So yeah, we did a very good cleaning of this machine. So starting with the espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Infusion, nice quantity, good color, 1 ounce, which is perfect, exactly how the customer has it, and it's great for the single shot. Now we're going to use the hot water, and as you can see, it's going to take a little bit for the machine to. Let's use the steam first, then we can use the hot water, otherwise we make a big mess. So as you can see, that's how the hot water will come out. Now the steamer is just pushing out water to the thermal block, and as the thermal block gets hot, we're definitely going to see some steam coming and building up inside the feature. And as you can see, we're now having steam. Having really good spot over here, as it starts to build that temperature in there. You can see more and more pressure building up inside the thermal block, and as you can see, really good pressure and steam coming out of the steamer one, working really great. Now for the hot water, it's going to throw a bunch of steam, as it's actually just pushing a lot of water, and the thermal block is getting up to temperature to the steam. But once it cools down, we're going to see a nice steady steam coming out of this one, as you can see right there. And there you have it, Gaggia titanium working once again and clean up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.